to New York! Oh. Okay, so last time we killed zombies. Next time we're gonna kill zombies.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Please do not crash. If you crash, I'll bite you. Good thing it didn't crash. I'd be very angry and pissed if it did crash. So let's go, Mo. Oh, Domos, that's where it's a meme, and that was dead. Claim. Injury while killing zombies? You got to be kidding me! You got to be kidding me! More claimer bramers. Claim. You do got like materials for days. Claimo Namo. Stand again. Kilo Bromo. 2 Arms Reginald. Would you help to our... He was one of the rotten. This is... What should I give him? I gave him food. He said, you're dumb. I gave him medicine. He said, you're dumb. I'll give him ammo.
He said, you're dumb.
Thank you. He attracted his rare shiny bits of death, he murmured approvingly. He rolled the bullets around, numbling, caressing them. He seemed to have completely forgotten I was there, but I guess he's happy. Thank you. Little scumbaggians. You're little scumbaggians. One person there. Where's the danger? Oh, stop trying to raid me. You're really annoying. You're annoying and really stupid, and you need to die. Boom. Bomb. If you raid, I will bite you. Friendship tax. Where's the danger? Oh my zombie braino demos. Claimo Namo. Zombie Kilo Braino. Claim. What? Oh, come on, man. You're annoying. And Riffs, stop trying to rob from me before I kill you and your entire faction. Boomity doomity doomity doomity. Faction Deserter. I don't know what that sounded for because nothing happened. Where's the danger? Stop trying to steal from me. Stop trying to steal. Demolishing all of these useless buildings. Attack! I don't think 2 zombie groups or 2 raider groups can attack at once and vice versa. Oh my lord. You're actually an annoying idiot. You're 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 an annoying idiot. Sorry if I'm not talking enough. I'm just trying to, like, get it over with. Stop trying to raid us. Stop. Why is it red again? Stop trying to raid us. It's really annoying and dumb and stupid. You're starting to get on my nerves. You're starting to get on my nerves. I'll kill you in cold blood, then laugh at your corpse when I make you florp. Still waiting for these people to claim this area so we can take them over. Cold blood? Yeah, there's some people. I think next, when I come back, we'll kill those people and take over that area. And once we've taken over that area, we'll be 75% done with taking over New York and instating a new order. That makes no sense, but okay. Yippee-da-dow, the finale, I think the finale would be killing the Last Judgment Gang because they're really evil. And they're kind of like the antagonists. So yeah, short episode, but just don't ask, okay? Don't ask. Subscribe and like.